Did you know Rome trained the man who would destroy 3 of its legions and never recovered from it? Arminius was born a German chieftain's son but raised inside the Roman world. He studied in Roman schools, ate at Roman tables, and rose to become a Roman military officer. Rome trusted him completely. Then, in 9 AD, he used every lesson Rome had ever taught him. He lured 3 full legions deep into the Teutoburg forest in Germany, 17,000 soldiers. He knew exactly how Romans marched, how they formed up, and how they fell apart in dense trees and mud. The ambush lasted 3 days. Almost no one escaped. Augustus, the most powerful man on earth, reportedly wandered his palace for months afterward, crying out for his general Varus to give him back his legions. But they were gone, and Rome never tried again. The Rhine River became the final border. Everything west became Latin. Everything east stayed Germanic. That line Arminius drew in blood in that forest is still visible on the map of Europe today.